Why wait to build when you can begin living your best life now? You'll feel right at home as you step through the front door of this spacious, split 4-bedroom floor plan in the highly sought after and conveniently located Ventana community. Just inside this cozy abode, you'll find a flex space ideal for an office/den. Proceed down the elongated foyer to the heart of the home, where you're sure to be awestruck at the sight of the soaring ceiling spanning the adjoined kitchen, dining, and family rooms, making it perfect for hosting those large gatherings with family and friends. Your well-appointed kitchen comes complete with stainless appliances, a ginormous walk-in pantry, granite countertops, stylish faucet, extended center island, and a breakfast bar. If privacy is what you crave, head through the rear sliders, where you're sure to spend countless hours inside your fully fenced backyard enjoying the serene outdoors while marveling at the beautiful sunset hues across the sky. At the end of those long grueling days, wind down in your spacious owner's suite, which is tucked away in the rear of the home and boasts a walk-in closet, dual sinks, and large walk-in shower. Nestled on the opposite side of the home, you'll find the 3 remaining bedrooms, all of which are generously sizes with a shared bathroom. This home is less than 2 years old and without the timeline of new construction, plus 8 years remaining on the structural warranty. Additional features include ceiling fans, X6, Ring doorbell, motion sensor floodlights, ADT security system, and a fenced backyard. Enjoy resort-style living centered around amenities that include a luxurious sparkling pool, a clubhouse, sports courts for pickleball and tennis, a playground, park, and more. Your new home sweet home is conveniently located a short drive to commuter routes, offering access to downtown Tampa, MacDill AFB, South Hillsborough VA clinic, beaches, restaurants, entertainment, and shopping. Schedule your